Hello Fly Babies, it's me FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday, and so for our 3-layer cake today, our first layer is routines. That means get up in the morning, do your routines before the family, get yourself all done up, right? You don't have to be super fancy, just a 5-minute makeup routine will make you feel better. Remember, the bedroom needs to be complete, the bathroom needs to be complete, and the kitchen needs to be complete with your daily routines. After that, you're going to take care of your children, your pets, put your children through their routines, okay? After that, that's the beginning of our routine layer. We're going to hit the second layer of our cake, the middle layer, which is our basic weekly plan, and today it's Family Fun Day. Yeehaw! So we're going to have some fun with the family. Now, if you are a payroll lion, a payroll fly baby, and I've got so many great contributions on what a lion could stand for, L-I-O-N or L-I-O-N-S. Lots of them. I'm collecting them up. We're going to put them out there and see which one you want. So I'm still taking those in. But anyway, basically remember that lions are strong. We're not weak. We're strong. Okay. So our second layer today is that, but if you're a payroll lion, then your second layer might be all those things you missed during the week, which could take anywhere from a few minutes to 3 hours. So the things you might have missed are things in the basic weekly plan, like your weekly home blessing hour, or at least what's left of it, probably your groceries, so you may need to go shopping. Hopefully you learned to delegate or had somebody pick those up for you, or pick them up for yourself, or have them delivered. There's lots of ways to save that time. Another thing you might not have done is some of your zones. So I'm assuming that you can get your purse cleaned out and your car cleaned out, that you can pay your bills and plan your groceries and plan your menu and do a little cleaning of your refrigerator in order to put new groceries in there. Not a big cleaning, just a little wipe, dab, and a swipe, right? Just nothing big. And I'm assuming that you were able to take care of those things, but maybe you didn't get to your zone. The zone this past week was zone 3, the bathroom, and one other room. You have, if you haven't done it at all, then I'd like you to do 4 15-minute sessions in those rooms, and in that room or rooms, and then the cleanup time after each 15 minutes. Put it away, throw it away, or take it to the trunk. Let's see what else. What else on that zone? Oh, if you don't have clutter, then you just have to do 4 things in that room or rooms. Just 4 things. Baseboards, under the sink, cleaning the counters real well, cleaning the whole mirror, mopping the whole floor, vacuuming the whole floor, whatever it is. If there's no clutter, you're going to find it so much easier. Remember, it's easier to make A's than it is to make C's. All right, and that's it. That's your second layer. Your third layer is the zone, but today we don't do zones unless you are one of the payroll lions who didn't get yours done. So really, today's just a 2-layer cake. I hope you have a wonderful day today. I am looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. If this isn't enough for you, please consider Patreon. On Patreon, I make a video every day, 5 days a week, that is specific to you and your life. So that's where you will find those. Again, I will be doing lives Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 2 weeks in a row. Then I'm off a week while I'm here at my parents' house. I don't do lives from my parents' house. It's just too difficult. But if those aren't enough for you, then you go to Patreon. If that's not enough, after you've done Patreon, if you still feel like you need personal guidance, you might want to consider FlyLadyPremium.com. Now, FlyLadyNet you can look at too. That's all the FlyLady stuff. But FlyLadyPremium.com, where you can actually choose to have somebody personally mentor you 4 times a month. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you are brand new, please watch the video, How to Do the FlyLady System for Newbies. It's about a year old, so I look a little, I wasn't that good at videos yet, but it's still a good video. I'm going to make you a new one pretty soon. But if you haven't watched that, please watch that, because it will help you understand what I'm talking about in these daily videos. and help you dissect and really learn how to do the FlyLady system in a very simple, easy to understand, easy to implement way. All right, please subscribe and click that little bell so you get your notification when I put these dailies out every morning at 6:30. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Mwah. Bye. Thank you.